Hi, these are the instructions for making a clay cylinder. Things that you're going to need are a postal cylinder, water, a guide stick, a toothbrush, a knife, a canvas, and a roller. You'll need to cover the roller in some newspaper and secure it with some sticky tape. Take your clay and start rolling. Flatten it a little. You'll need a guide stick so that you don't roll the clay too thin. Always use the guide stick to roll the roller across so that you don't change the thickness of the clay. Roll a little from the centre to make sure the clay is not thicker in the centre and different to its thickness on the edges. You'll need to cut a straight edge on the left-hand side of your slab. Use the guide stick. Using the canvas, carefully roll right at the base of the cylinder, the clay around the cylinder. Make a mark using your guide stick, but allow about 2 to 3 centimeters additional to where it actually matches the rest of the clay. So you're adding some extra. So make a second line, which allows about 2 to 3 centimeters extra. Unroll your slab of clay. You're going to need to cut the lower edge. You don't need to allow any extra here. And you're going to need to cut along that line where you allowed the extra for the rollover. Now along that edge, you need to flatten it with your thumb so that it has a narrow edge and will join properly. You're going to pick up your clay and you're going to roll your clay around the cylinder as shown, carefully pushing it. Don't rush this bit. Now to make it stick, you're going to add some water with a toothbrush. And not too much water, you're trying to build up a sort of muddy surface with a bit of a texture. Roll your clay right over that joint. Using a knife or something flat, smooth over that joint and neaten it as much as possible. Neaten the edge at the top of the cylinder. You may trim it flat if you wish to. At this point, your clay needs to harden with the postal cylinder inside. When it's harder, remove the cylinder. Finish off the seam on the inside of your clay cylinder, but be careful not to rock the cylinder back and forward as the bottom of the cylinder gets out of shape. Neaten those joints by pulling the clay across itself and smoothing it out. I'm using a clay tool here. It's very effective to reach quite far down into the pot. You won't be able to neaten the inside of the pot until later. When you're finished, cover your clay.